The Hollywood Walk of Fame comprises more than 2,605 pointed terrazzo and brass stars embedded in the sidewalks along 15 blocks of Hollywood Boulevard and 3 blocks of Vine Street in Hollywood, California. The stars are permanent public monuments to achievement in the entertainment industry, bearing the names of a mix of actors, musicians, directors, producers, musical and theatrical groups, fictional characters, and others. The Hollywood Walk of Fame is undoubtedly one of the most successful marketing ideas ever produced. Where the original idea came from is not certain. However, the ceiling of the dining room of the historic Hollywood Hotel once had stars painted on the ceilings with the names of the celebrities, and that may have been a precursor of the idea to place stars in sidewalks. The man credited with the idea for creating a Walk of Fame was E.M. Stuart, who served in 1953 as a volunteer president of the Hollywood Chamber of Commerce. In that year, according to a chamber press release, he proposed the walk as a means to maintain the glory of a community whose name means glamour and excitement in the four corners of the world. He appointed a committee to begin fleshing out the idea, and the architectural firm of Perriara and Lachman was employed to develop some specific proposal.